In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your TikTok account. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to open TikTok. Go to your profile. At the top right corner of your screens, you'll see these three horizontal lines. So click on it. Go to settings and privacy. Select account. Then select deactivate or delete your account. Select delete account permanently. Select the reason why you are deleting your account and then click on continue. Once again, click on continue. Click on continue. So now a verification code will be sent to the phone number that is linked with your TikTok account. Once you have received the code, all you have to do is to paste it here. And after that, all you have to do is to click on this delete account option. And once you do that, your TikTok account will be deleted permanently. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.